Right, I just got it working. It very nearly didn't work. I don't know what's the deal with it. I don't know if it's because it's been sat around for ages or what. As I'm doing this, it's doing that. All backwards, left, right. Only the middle button works. Right, so it is working. My acid test is going to be turning it off and turning it back on again. It loads, but without the sound of the floppy drive. Yes, it's working now. See, this is the thing. Wasn't doing that before, so I don't know what's going on with that. It's got the controller, the internals for this are like on a remote control, it's like pads, and then there's like a copper mesh underneath of it. Only getting one channel of sound through that. I was very nearly going to give up with this, so it's. It's nice enough. It's nice enough. It's got a nice feel to it. It's almost like when you get like thumbsticks, but it's a lot bigger, and that's like what it feels like to me. So it seems like it's working. The acid test will be to turn it off, turn it back on again and see if it's fine with it. I think it's just been sat around for a long time, that's all. Go over the top. I like the feel of it. I must there's like just that issue with it being a little bit kind of say stale rather than not working. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the inside. I looked inside of it there, and it's like fine. There's no capacitors that burst open. There's no wires that come loose. It was a bit dirty, I suppose, but that may or may not have been the case why it wasn't working. But oh, this bloody thing on a minute. Seems to be working. So what I'm going to do is game the crap out of this and see if it does play up or give me any issues. And then if it's fine, and I'll be quite happy with it. But yeah, just it's like doubly complicating the issues because of the fact it's got two outputs on it. And I'm like, oh no, I should have thought of that when I bloody got it. But it might give me an issue. What are these things? I can't really see this. Oh, bugger. The reason why I got this one because I wanted to get one that had a joystick, but Sega don't really do joysticks as such, so you've either got to get a gamepad. The Amiga has a thing where you can't jump up with a button. So I didn't want to be messing about with it. Oh, damn it. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off and turn it back on again and see if this thing works properly. Right, I'll switch blade 2 going here. Right. Up, down, left, right, fire. Down. There we go. Did turn it off, turn it back on, seems to be absolutely fine. I don't know if it was just a connector issue or just the fact it's been sat around for ages, but it seems like it's working okay. It's kind of getting beasted there. That green thing there. Oh, bugger. Oh, shit. not being erratic either. You'd think if it was incompatible completely, it would be all over the place and up here. So it's stable. It seems to be working okay. Oh, this bloody thing again. Damn, oh, bugger. Very comfortable. I have it on a piece of wood here, so right, so it's the Quickshot Sega Genesis Megadrive controller. Seems to be working. Didn't at first. I don't know if that's because it was stale or what. I cleaned the contacts with isopropyl alcohol and it seems to be doing the it's working, so, and that button there does it, but these don't do anything. I'm dead now, so alive. Is anything alive? I don't know. There it is.